isn't that badass? It's a GT3. It's what we call it normally aspirated. I'm here at Driven World, and today is Porsche Day. I just happen to be on the side. All the other Porsches are on the other side. So you see other spectators coming in. And this particular show, you get some of everything. I mean, stuff you kind of, I don't know what that is down there. I'll go check it out in a minute. But, oh, look at the exhaust. I like when a roll cage latches the calipers. You just see like a splash of the color over the car. Oh man, that's so nice. That's so nice. And that front clip, of course, is my inspiration for my body kit. All right, let's go see what this was down here. It's what, a Skyline, if I'm not mistaken? I forget what this is. Wide body. I like this exhaust tip. It's different. Dig it. All right, let's see what else we got. You know, anytime I see a Mark V Lincoln, and some of you guys might know to see this video, that was my car in high school. I had a blue one. My mom had two of them. A C8. That was my first. There's yours truly. There's the rest of our Porsche community. There's a 964 Turbo S. The white one right there on the left. Which I think, correct me if I'm wrong, fellas, is about $1 million, I think, at this point. I mean, it's a really ridiculous amount of money for this car. That air cool stuff is no joke. But it's immaculate. I think it's a, what is this, a 96, I think. I think it's immaculate. I'm curious to see how many miles it has on it.
This is
Gotta wait in line to see what sticker is. Sticker is 128,000. See, is there a date on here? Oh, it's a 94. My bad. Couple years off. So then you got the GT4, which is roughly about 100,000 now. But I'm thinking, oh wait a minute, they're a little over 100. I think they're like 120, 130, depending on how you want to set yours up. GT3 RS. That RS. It's a lot more money, Jack. Those two letters are a lot. There's a GT2 out here. Let's see if I can find it. Where's the GT2? Oh, there it is.
What was your name again? Lynn. What's yours again? I'm Steve. Steve and Kel.
Oh, I thought I was gonna park next to it or in front of it, but oh yeah, it's all right. So we got a GT3, which is normally aspirated, which is, I don't know. That car is maybe it's got a lot of packages on that one, carbon hood and the headlights. So it's probably in the neighborhood. I'm thinking 300,000, if not a little bit more for that one, because it's probably got the Wisec package. Yep, with the mirrors and the seats. Yep, at least. And then you got your GT2 RS. So you got what? I think roughly 500 horse over here, It's 700 horse. It's got twin turbo. 680 or something like that. Manual. Ooh, that's a nice piece. And you got another one, GT3 RS. I didn't even see this Ferrari tucked away. It's my favorite, 458. That sounds like a transplant or whatever the red. Oh, yeah, it sounds like a transplant over there. Check it out in a little bit. Ooh, that's so nice. 458 is one of my favorite designs in Ferrari. I always thought this air induction on the quarter glass was just so smart and nice. I incorporated that in my Zonda build actually. And it was said that I got the first pair of quarter glass that was off of a burned down 458 that was available. It's another GT3 RS. Nice color of red, huh? Got the mirrors and the wheels, seat belts and the roll cage. Oh, a little accent in the front. That's nice. It's nice how he did that. You can see my carbon from down here. Kind of like that. See that? See that? I've never seen my car off distance. You can really kind of see the patterns and stuff. I dig that. I dig that. I can't wait till I finish.